What if I told you that something as simple as salt and water can help you to attract money, abundance, and wealth? Stay with me. This is not superstition. This is not magic. This is simply combining your intention with the power of salt and water to manifest what you desire. Welcome back to Smart Idea TV, where we talk spirituality. If you have been facing financial stress, lack of money, people are not blessing you, you have a business but it is not moving, you run an online business but it's not paying, you do offline business, it's not paying, you do 9 to 5, you are not getting promoted. In fact, you are just living from hand to mouth. Money is not coming as desired. Let me show you this simple ritual that you can do, and it will shift the energy of abundance in your favor. Money will locate you. People will start blessing you. Your hustling will start paying. But we need to ask ourselves, why salt and water? Salt and water has been used for thousands of years. So many cultures use salt because salt is a cleanser. It's also a protector. It protects, it cleanses, it protects, at the same time it attracts. You can use salt in different ways, but specifically what I will show you in this video is how to use it to ward off, to clear financial droughts, financial negativity, to clear it and attract financial abundance. Money will come to you, and that is where we are going to be using salt and water. But I don't want you to rush. I want you to stay and watch till the end, because I'm going to be showing you why this ritual works. I'm also going to be showing you those things that you need to get for this ritual. And I'll show you the step-by-step way to do it so that you do it correctly. You do it correctly. And you do it in a way that those who are getting results are doing it. And I'll also show you one simple thing that you need to do to make this ritual to work very fast. It's an instant thing if you do it the way you are supposed to. What are the ingredients we are going to be needing? We are going to be needing a very clean water. Number two, we are going to be needing a salt, table salt, or any clean salt. Sea salt is the best, but this also works. Then you need a glass beaker, a glass. You also need a green pen. Then you need a plain white paper. You can see a plain white paper. That's what you need. Then money. It can be coins. You can get coins or paper money if you cannot get coins. In this video, I cannot readily lay my hand on coins, but I can use money. And you can use any denomination of money, any denomination. And even if it is coins, any denomination of coins will do. Now, let's get into the step-by-step preparation, what to do, before I now show you the things that you should not do if you want the thing to work very fast. But before I show you the step-by-step, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. Like this video, then share this video to your contacts who need abundance in their life. Let's get into the preparation. What you do is you get your glass beaker, you get your salt, you add salt into the glass cup. Then you get your money now, paper money. If you have coins, just drop coins. If you have paper, then you just fold it. Fold it. And when you are folding to yourself. You can see the way I folded my own. Then you put it inside. You can see I've already put the money in the glass cup. Then you add the salt. Make sure the salt is covering. Make sure the salt is covering the money. You can see it has covered the money. The money is in the middle. You first added salt, you add the money, then you add salt. So thereafter, after you have done this, then you set it aside, get your paper, get your plain paper, then you write your intention. And the intention, of course, is money. So in this wise, you are not going to be writing, I need 1,000. No. All you need to do is just write the money sign. Depends whatever currency you use. Can be local, it can be any amount. But in my case, I'm going to be writing dollar sign because I want to manifest dollar. So you can see I've written my dollar sign, and you are going to be doing that, writing that in 3 places. You are going to be writing it in 3 places. Dollar sign, you are going to be writing in 3 places. If it's your local currency symbol, you should put it, but it has to be in 3 places, and you have to write it or draw it very big in 3 places. It has to be very legible. This represents your intention, and because it's a sign of money. Of course, I'm manifesting dollars, so it's a sign of money. But within me, I know the amount I need right now. But this sign covers everything. See the white paper with our intention. You place it under it like this. You also want to give your intention, which is to attract money. You want financial blessings and abundance. You want people to give you money, to bless you, to attract money for a business, for your studies, whatever you need money for. That's your intention. So you now take this, you finish this by taking it to a conspicuous place in your living room or your room. If you have a room apartment, just take it to a conspicuous place in your room or living room. Make sure it is not hidden, and you place it at a place where direct sunlight comes to the thing, to it. So the best place I recommend is at the window place. Just place it at the window so that light will come direct and nobody will disturb it. This thing is going to be sitting there for 7 days. After the 7th day, it should not last more than 7 days. So you have to be mindful of the dates. So it should be 7 days, not more than 7 days. It has to be 7 days. So after then, you can go and discard the water with the salt. Go and discard it. Of course, the money inside, you remove it. You can gift it out, or you can just keep it you can spend it, of course. You can spend it. It's just a symbol. The money there is just symbolism, symbolize money. So just keep it. You can spend it. You can gift it, or you can keep it in your safe. So the water, discard it. But you are not just discarding it anyhow. You don't go outside your house. Just pour it at the entrance to your home or under a plant. If you have a plant in your home, you can just put it under. But don't just throw it anyhow. It's either you are pouring it in front, the front entrance outside your home, or under a plant. Or rather, you can use it to wash your hand. Wash your hand very well. Just use it to wash your hand very well outside your home, outside your house. You don't do it inside. You do it outside. So those are the 3 places, 3 ways to discard of it. Now, what are those things that will not make it to be effective? And that is where a lot of people are getting this. If you have watched this moment, then you are lucky. The first thing that will not make it to work is over obsessing over the result. You don't do it now, start expecting that the money, where's the money, where's the money, where's the money. If you do that, then it's not going to work. It's not going to work for you. Then number two is you have to put it in a proper place where light will touch it. You don't change it for that 7 days. It will be there for the 7 days. If for one reason or the other you do something to it, then you've neutralized it. It might not work for you. It might not work for you. Then the third thing that will not make it to work is if you don't discard it properly. If you don't discard it properly. If you discard it inside the toilet or something, if you want to discard it, it should be outside your home. I've mentioned the 3 ways. If you are not clear, just rewind and watch this video again. Another thing that will not make this thing to work very well is when you don't have the belief, the faith that it will work. If you do it just for doing sake, because people are doing it, let me just do it. No, you must have the faith that this thing will work and it has already started working. That's the most important. It must align with your belief or your faith. You must have the faith in it, in what you are doing. Don't just do it for doing sake. If you do it for doing sake, then it will not work. It will not work for you because it has the tendency to work with your faith. It works with your faith. If you do it with your whole faith, believing that it will work, it's definitely going to work. If you have watched this far, then if you are not subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. Like this video, then share it to others who need abundance in their life. Go to the comments, go and write, "Money loves me." Just go and write in the comments. Writing "money loves me" in the comments will make this ritual to work sharply for you. Just write "money loves me." And if you have done it before, go to the comment, go and type your experience. Let us know your experience if you have done it before. Because like I said, other people are doing it and it's working for them. If you enjoyed this video, then definitely you are going to enjoy this video where I show you how to use bay leaf to attract money and abundance here. Until I see you in our next video, remain spiritually intelligent. And don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.